everyone, my name is Puneeta Sharma and you are watching a series of videos on the SaveSoil movement. Today is June 5 and this day is observed as World Environment Day to spread awareness and to talk about the importance of Mother Nature. Before I continue, I would like to pay my humble and sincere tribute to Sri Vishweshwar Dutt Saklani, also known as Vrikshamitra, meaning friend of trees. He spent more than 70 years saving the environment and planting trees in the Himalayas. Nobody recognized him, but he wasn't bothered. He drove all his inspiration and pleasure by planting the trees and watching them grow. Saklani is believed to have planted his first sapling when he was not even 10 years old. And since then, planting saplings became his passion and he dedicated his whole life to the cause, to save the Himalayas, to maintain the greenery, to preserve the forests. And I think that this small sharing about his life will motivate us all to continue working in that direction to preserve Mother Earth so that we can survive. On this special day, today I have invited a very special guest. Her name is Dr. Puneeta Sharma. She is a research scientist. She completed her research on mosquitoes and now she is working on insects which will help in taking the composting to the next level. She would like to talk about saving soil. Please try to learn something from her experiences.
Hello everyone, today we are here to talk about the soil depletion. And soil, as you know, is the soul of this very planet, and the only planet we can live and can let live others. So I want to introduce myself first. I'm Dr. Puneeta Sharma and I work on insects. I think that insects are very fascinating on this planet, and I will today tell the use of insects so that we can replenish the soil. As you know, the soil is getting depleted. Depletion means this loss of nutrients and the quality of the soil. So for that, if we want to do something, then we can do one thing is that we can replenish the soil by various methods. So biological methods are the best ones because they coincide with the nature, and with that we can replenish the soil. So how can we use insects for that? For that matter, we can use various insects, and insects are actually the friends of the soil. Various insects like earthworms. So it's not just talking that will do. We should actually work on that. Until we will work, this problem of soil depletion cannot be solved. So I have started an initiative of using these insects to replenish the soil. And one of the insects is the earthworm. Earthworms are called the doctors of the soil. They can treat the soil biologically as they eat the soil or these cow dungs, and from that they can make the manure. And that manure is biological and that does not pollute the soil. So instead of using the chemical pesticides and insecticides, you can use vermicompost. The compost that is coming out of the earthworms can be used, and that is called the vermicompost. I hope that actually the working of the soil should be done with the help of farmers, but farmers alone cannot do that. In conclusion, I want to say that everybody's efforts, your effort, my effort, and if everybody will make efforts to save the quality of the soil and to save soil, then this can be done in lesser time, and we can reverse the quality of the soil, the life in the soil, and our generations which will be coming. Thank you.
I hope her insight will motivate you all to do something to conserve the soil. And I also think that planting a tree or planting a sapling should not be just limited to the school activities for children. We should do them very often so that these things become the habit of children. They should know that every now and then they are supposed to plant a tree, and when it will become a habit, then we would not have to run movements to save soil or to conserve the forest, to save Mother Earth. And I take your leave with a quote by Gandhiji. He said, "There is enough on earth for everybody's need, but not for everybody's greed." Do think about it. Bye-bye.